Heroic Showdown. Come on, be awfully nice to load up. Thanks, Kicks, for making it terrible. Bring in Leonard. He will be a distraction. Bring in Devin. He will be a distraction. And then clean the base with Forrest. Just take out the anti-air with Forrest, then you just clean the rest of the base out. One more. Okay, now just kill everything. It's just that simple. So you just go around and whatever you feel like killing, whatever order you want to do, just clear everything out. And all the units that are attacking or that are defending will go after Leonard, they'll go after Dev, and you can just clean the base, and these guys will run right past you. They won't even give you a problem. We didn't kill that. And that's it. So let's see what we get. A little bit of experience. All right. That's one. Let's go do a two. Basically the same thing. Bring in Leonard, put him on hold. Bring in Dev, just a little bit in front of the Leonard, put him on hold. Clean the base out with Forrest. With Forrest, kill all the anti-air first. So we're doing just going around and leveling the base. Whoever wants to shoot you, you shoot it. One more. Now clean the base any way you want, whatever you like to do, whatever order you want. You're done. There's no right and wrong way to do it, so whatever you like to do. And you're almost done. That's it. See what we get. A little bit of XP. Now we need a level 3. Where are you hiding? There's one right there. You get minor damage when we're done with this one. I'll show you the damage you get. Really nothing, because it's immediate repair. Bring in Leonard, put him on hold. Bring in Dev, put him on hold. Now this one we're going to do a little bit differently. I'm going to use Forrest, but he's just going to stay right here. And we're going to use the aggressors to clear the base. Because if we don't, Forrest will get damaged quite a bit. Since we have electric, we just keep shooting these guys so that they don't shoot us. And as the aggressors come out and build up, you'll have enough to clear the base. And with the aggressors, we're shooting all the land now, all the ground. The air won't hurt us, so we're just concentrating on the ground. Now that we get rid of all them, we just want to start clearing the base, one side, so we don't have to come back. Shoot the support turrets first, that way the things go down faster. All right, let's go over here and clean out a little bit of this side. Who's shooting us? We'll shoot them as well. He's shooting us. Get rid of him. All right, now let's clean out so that we don't have to come back. Just clean up, that's all it is. All right, now we got to start attacking some more things because they're trying to shoot at us. Get rid of him. Get the troops over there. Help us out. The aggressors will clear the base for you. Take out the power plants, and then they don't shoot as often. No right and wrong way to do it. However you want to clear the base, do it. The less power they have, the less often they shoot. All right, now let's get rid of these guys. Almost done. Okay. First 3 bases. Now I'm going to run out of time on this video, so I'll make another video of the other one. So let's send them home and see how much damage they got, which is, in essence, nothing, because immediate repair. 41 seconds on Forest. And the other guys will be here in a couple seconds. "24 seconds. Okay.